Anyway, let's start them all up and let them run a little bit. Battery's a little dead on this one. Let's see if we can go to the car. Excavator's good. I'll tell you what, things are actually in pretty decent shape. I'm pleasantly surprised.